The incredible benefits of swimming every day. Transform your body and mind. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of swimming and uncovering how swimming every day can transform both your body and mind. The remarkable benefits of swimming are often underestimated, but once you discover what this fantastic exercise can do for you, you'll be eager to dive in. So, let's get started and explore why making swimming a daily habit could be one of the best decisions for your health. 1. A powerhouse for fat burning. Swimming is not just a fun activity. It's an exceptional fat-burning workout. When you swim, multiple muscle groups are engaged, but the best part is that you maintain a low-intensity load over extended periods. This continuous, moderate effort helps kickstart fat consumption as energy. Unlike running, where fatigue sets in more quickly, swimming allows you to sustain a pulse in the aerobic zone for much longer. To get the most out of this, aim to swim for at least 45 minutes to an hour each session, focusing on techniques like the crawl or fast breaststroke. Your body will thank you for it. 2. A complete exercise regimen. Swimming is often seen as a recreational activity, but it can be a robust workout on its own. In fact, if you embrace sports swimming, it can become your primary sport. Regular training, about 4 to 5 times a week for an hour and a half per session, can build an athletic physique and a resilient body. The diversity of strokes and techniques ensures that you're constantly challenging yourself and pushing your limits. 3. Engages every muscle group. One of the most remarkable aspects of swimming is its ability to engage every muscle in your body. Whether you're doing the breaststroke, butterfly, or crawl, different strokes target various muscle groups. For example, the breaststroke emphasizes your legs, thigh muscles, glutes, and calves. Butterfly demands significant arm and body strength, while the crawl is a versatile stroke that involves multiple muscle groups. Each technique requires the coordinated effort of your arms, back, core, and legs, ensuring a full-body workout with each swim. 4. Strengthens the cardiovascular system. Swimming isn't just about muscle engagement. It also offers fantastic benefits for your cardiovascular system. As you swim, your internal organs work intensively alongside your muscles. The aerobic nature of swimming improves your heart rate and enhances the efficiency of your heart, making it stronger and more resilient. 5. Trains your lungs. The benefits of swimming extend to your respiratory system as well. Scientific studies have shown that swimming improves lung capacity through powerful inhalations and exhalations. The act of holding your breath while swimming helps develop your diaphragm and chest muscles, leading to increased lung capacity and better overall respiratory health. 6. Boosts bone density. Swimming may not offer as much bone density improvement as running, but it still has a positive impact. Regular swimming helps increase bone mineral density, making your bones stronger and more resilient. This benefit is particularly valuable for those at risk of osteoporosis or other bone-related conditions. 7. Enhances flexibility. Flexibility is another area where swimming excels. Overcoming the resistance of water during strokes and flips not only requires flexibility, but also enhances it. Swimming promotes muscle elasticity and overall body flexibility, contributing to improved range of motion and reduced risk of injury. 8. Improves mobility and coordination. Swimming is a full-body exercise that requires coordinated movement of multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Counting strokes and breaths can help improve your coordination, functionality, and cognitive abilities. This holistic approach to exercise makes swimming an excellent training method for enhancing mobility and coordination. 9. Supports joint and spine health. One of the greatest benefits of swimming is its low-impact nature. Water is 8 times denser than air, which reduces the compression on your joints and ligaments. This makes swimming an ideal exercise for strengthening your spine and correcting posture. The reduced load on your spine, skeleton, and bones, coupled with the engagement of your back muscles and core, contributes to overall spinal health and improved posture. 10. Relieves stress and enhances mental well-being. While scientific studies on the stress-relieving benefits of swimming are still evolving, anecdotal evidence suggests that swimming is a powerful stress buster. The soothing effect of gliding through water, combined with the release of endorphins, can significantly alleviate stress and improve mental well-being. Swimming every day is more than just a workout. It's a transformative experience for both your body and mind. From enhancing physical health to boosting mental resilience, the benefits of daily swimming are undeniable. So, dive in and start reaping the rewards of this incredible exercise today. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.